Alright, so we're putting up a plug for the garage door opener to be put in. I'm going to tap off this light. So we just got this connected. Now we're alright, then we put this in. Put that in. Alright, so I cut the armored wire we're going to use here. We got the connectors pushed on. So we're ready to bring them in. Just pop them right into the box. Can't even do it, but we got it. I'll show you the next steps. All right, so here we are. Got the plug in, connected. Now we just got to make the connections over here. Put this back up. All right, let's get this plate on. All right, there we are. We got the outlet put in for the garage door opener. That should be hopefully in a good spot.